Hello there, so this is Patricia from Pinky's World and I thought I'd pop on and show you all my finished cards. I have the whole 15 done. If you've followed the videos before all this, you'll know exactly what I've done, but for those who just want to see what it was all about, this is it. So we're going to start with our first card. This is from Kendra's Card Challenge 2 and I used the butterfly bijou papers for mine and then added lots of different stamps and whatever, and each video will tell you exactly what it is, but I just want to show you that it is great to have so many cards. That was number 1. This was number 2, a nice big butterfly thinking of you. This one was inspirational. This one was a thank you card using the Phrase a Bird stamp set. This one was more girly and bright and sunny, using Dress to Impress. This one was a get well card. Again, the butterfly sits right up, so it gives you a nice wee flare. This one is Life is Better with Friends, so it could be like if you're going out for a meal with friends you haven't seen for a while, perfect for that. A couple of thank you ones. This one was the one I wasn't sure about, and I actually love this card, and it was very popular on my blog, so obviously a few others liked it too. This one was pretty basic but perfect for a thank you card. I used a lovely embossing folder in the background, which you can see better there, and the wee butterflies have all been lifted. So the next one, again, wee butterflies, very pink, perfect for my mother-in-law's granddaughter. Will be getting this one. I reckon about 10 of them will be donated if I get round to finishing the inside. So again, the wee butterflies lifted up. There's a wee bit of sparkle in there, which you can't really see, a couple of wee jewels. This was another one. This one really got me. I wasn't sure about it, but when it's finished, it's not too bad at all. I'm pretty pleased. I love that whimsy day that gives that stitched effect around the edge. And this was a Grand Kid stamp set. So this one again, they've all flattened down because I've had them stacked up in the corner. They're ready to show you. So it is lovely when the butterflies lift up. And I went really bold this one with the Night of Navy and a big happy birthday from the ice cream corner selection. This is from the ice cream one as well. Sweet ice cream, I think you call it. And I've added since lots of glitter glue and sparkle and just generally nice and pinky. And these ones were the two that comes as the one design. You use the same design twice. This probably should have been up here, but I liked it better at the bottom, so I just did the same again. And they're both thank you ones, and the very final one was a wee one for Hope You're Back on Your Feet Soon, which was called Back on Your Feet Soon. So it is great to have so many cards, this big bunch of cards. It took me no time at all, even though I spread them out for you video wise. I was able to do these in 2 days. It was so easy, so quick, and only 6 sheets of 6x6 paper. So we have another one coming in July. I'm now part of the design team, I should say. I was asked to join the design team and I am super happy about it because I actually really love doing this. So hopefully you'll join us in July and give it a wee go. Kendra has so many lovely prizes up for grabs, so it's worth your while. You have to do the whole 15 cards and you have to send her a picture of the whole finished 15 cards. So be sure and give it a go, and you're left with all these lovely cards to post out, donate, sell, whatever you want to do with them. Definitely worth your while. So keep an eye on this. I'm going to have another section 3 on my playlist, which will be Kendra's Card Challenge 3 coming up soon. Catch us all later. Bye.